So if I have an AI agent, how we can train that AI agent to interact with the customer and to solve that specific problem that the AI agent was built for, but also to train the AI agent for A, don't ask for more data that is not needed. B, if that data is going to be collected and it's going to be used or shared with another system, to be sure that the AI agent also has the capacity to request a consent. And maybe there, of course, is this discussion. Maybe it's like a stop. Okay, I need this consent, and a person will jump in, or we will send you an email, or we will do A, B, and C to be sure that we collected that consent so you can move on the flow, or maybe it's automating even more that process. Of course, we are talking more about the future, but today with AI, the future can be in a couple of months. So that's one of the things that I'm seeing a lot in the market. And again, how consent should be part of the strategy when using AI. In the case of as we use AI and ask, are you seeing issues, or are you building opt-in consents into the messaging models? In our case with BigID, we have two things. First, we have we call topics. So when you get the consent of a specific topic, how we call it is you can build AI topics and even more with out-of-the-box topics to gather consent for AI. And you can connect that to your system. So if someone gives an opt-in, to be sure that then the data science that are using data to see that they have the opt-in, or if a user opt-out, to be sure that new models don't include that data. And even more, something of that we are doing that I'm calling consent for AI is that if someone gives an opt-out to use data for AI, but the company is still using it, to create a risk alert. So that's one of the things that I'm also seeing with cookies and consent, starting connecting like the different dots between the different like services or solutions in privacy.